Hello learners, welcome to our English class. So today we are going to learn about what is noun and what are its kinds. First, let me ask you one thing, that what do you look around your surroundings? If I say about me, then I see many things, people and place where I am standing. So all these things or place or persons might be there, they all are having names. So these names are called noun. So let's revise the definition of a noun. A noun is the name of a person, place, animal or a thing. It means every person, every animal, every place, everything, they are having their own name. So that name, that word is called a noun. Now, we are going to learn about kinds of noun. Here, three kinds of noun are there. First is common noun, second is proper noun, and third is collective noun. So first we will discuss about what is common noun. Let me take an example of a word, a monument. Suppose you are sitting in a cab and you tell your cab driver that please take me to a monument. Will he take to your monument? No. Why? Because he is not aware of which monument you want to visit. Now come to the proper noun, that is used for the specific name. Now, if you will tell your cab driver that take me to a monument, that is Hawa Mahal, and it is situated in Jaipur, as we all know. So, he will obviously take to a monument that is Hawa Mahal, isn't it? So, it means the word monument is a general name, or you can say any kind, not a specific name of a monument. But when you say the Hawa Mahal, so it means that is specified, or a particular name of a place. Clear, children? Now take one more example. When you say someone that I read in school, so when you are not taking the name of specific school, that how do the another person came to know that and which school you are? So school is a general name. But when you say I read in St. Edmund's Convent School, so it means that is a specific name or a particular name of a school, isn't it? So here is a difference between the common noun and the proper noun. So common name, or it is called a general name, or a proper noun or a proper name is called a specified or a particular name. It can be person, animal, place or a thing. Clear, children? Now come to our next kind of noun, that is collective noun. So when you say a group of soldiers, how do you recognize or how do you learn? Is it correct, a group of soldiers? No. We use a word for a group of soldiers, an army. When somebody say that an army, then it comes to your mind that it is might be a group of soldiers. So an army is a word we use for a group of person or group of soldiers. So that word army is a collective noun. Now come to another example for the group of animals. Suppose I say a pride of lions. Pride. Pride means also a group of lions. So that word pride is called a collective noun which is used for the group of animals. Take one more example. As I have taken, I read in a school. So here in this sentence, I read in a school. Can you identify the word which is common noun? Yes, this is a school, because school is a general name of a place. It is not specified in which school you are reading. And in another sentence, when we say my school name is St. Edmund's Convent School. So here in this sentence, a name of a school is mentioned here. So this means this is a particular name of a place or a special name of a place. So you can say specific name, particular name, or a special name for the proper noun. Understood? Now students, I think you are being able to give the answers of that what is common noun, what is proper noun, and what is collective noun. Now one more thing I want to tell you about the common noun and proper noun or the collective noun. For proper noun, we always use a capital letter. When it begins always with the capital letter. But with the common noun and with the collective noun, we don't use capital letter.